High five. Woo! After the fivers. Okay, I got to shut off the camera and I got to turn on my AC because I'm sweating. So I'm going to turn off this camera right here. Bye, camera. And now I'm going to turn on my AC. Turning on my AC. It's warm. It's warm in here. Whew. Sweating down the back of my neck. Oh. I hope that was fun. I had a good time. I still have to pick up some B-roll of this stuff because the camera battery's charging right here. Sorry, Sean. Okay, I want to take a moment. Sean, my editor, is a wonderful human, and I don't pay him nearly enough for what he does for me, and he still does it. So this is amazing. I just want you to know a lot of what I make here on Patreon does go to Sean to make sure he can edit these videos. And in fact, you know what? It's 12:51. It's 12:51. That's crazy. I have to go pick up a friend at the airport at 3 o'clock in the freaking morning. And I had to get this filmed before I pick her up. Awesome. Awesome. Let's see. This was, oh, excuse me. I'm terrible. Oh, I can feel the cold air. Bring it on. Bring it on. This was fun. I'm going to be serious here. Go print this model. Go print any of the monstrosities that Fernando made. They're so good. It's so just fun to look at all of these details. Oh, I got some more hairs. There we go. Gots to get them. Is that it? Gotta get in all these little nooks and all these little crannies. There we go. Not much down here. It's so neat. Oh, I love this. Here's the thing. I know that, and especially if you follow a lot of really cool people on Twitter that do a lot of 3D printing. Ian, who's like at Earblix or something on Twitter, and then there's Tom, who's Filament Frenzy, Ben over at Hawk 3D Proto, Barb, who does flexible 3D prints. It's amazing what these people are able to do and how well they're able to tune their printer. Where prints will come out and it's as if the piece was injection molded. And it's amazing. But that's not the full story. 3D printing is a way, not only, hold on. Got it. 3D printing is a way of bringing something that exists virtually to life. It's a way of bringing something into the real world. And at its purest art form, who's to say that something where I can see the layer lines is somehow deficient or it's somehow less than these prints that these other people make? This isn't taking away from these beautiful prints that people make on their 3D printers, that you make on your 3D printers. This isn't taking away from that. People on Twitter, people on YouTube are going to look at this and be like, oh, there's some extrusion issues, or you should have enabled coast, or maybe you should have fluctuated the temperature, or changed the infill, or done something. And it's like, I understand what they're trying to say, but at the same time, I want them to think about it. I want them to change their perspective a bit and look at it, because here's the thing. I made this. Well, Fernando made the model, but I'm the one that sliced it and put it in my printer and fed the plastic and caused it to print over multiple days. And I'm happy with it. I'm extremely happy with this. I love how it looks. I love it. I love it. And again, this isn't taking away from the people that make the prints, from their printers that are perfectly tuned. This is just pure joy. This is pure love of creating and bringing something into the real world that was once a virtual object. That's part of the love of 3D printing, right? That's part of why we do it, because there's things to fix around the house, or sure, the world needs another low poly Pikachu, but you're taking something that exists in your imagination and you're bringing it into the real world. I can look at the 3D model of this city and I can change the angle from which I view it. And I can look from the top and the bottom, and I can zoom far in and I can pull back really far. But even if I do that with VR goggles, it's still virtual. Once you can put it in a machine that brings it into the real world, where you can touch it, taste it, smell it, you can experience it in stereoscopic, hopefully, vision, it means something more. It takes on a meaning greater than what it is. And I just love it. Boy, that was a rant, wasn't it? Ooh, I ranted. I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to rant. It's a cool city. It's cool. It's freaking cool. Promise you. Oh yeah, I still got to get those. I got to get those shots for Sean. Let's see if the camera's over here. Let's see if you can help me get some. You can help me get some shots for Sean. It'll be great. I'm gonna use my Sony RX100 Mark V. It says it's got a full battery, but I know it's a darn dirty liar. So let's just start around here. Oh, I did get a new ad sponsor, an ad person that you're gonna see on the channel at least once, and if it goes well, we're gonna see it more times, and it's for Skillshare. I'm willing to bet you've seen other creators who've had Skillshare advertisements in their videos. I'm gonna be another one of them. And I hope that's okay. So how Skillshare works is they judge how well a campaign works by click-throughs and sign-ups for their first 3 months for 99 cents work. So when you see that, if that's something you're interested in, then signing up will benefit the channel. I don't know. I'm interested to see if they're good people to work with. Oh, hey, Sean. This is one of the ones that broke at the top that I talk about. Look at that. It's broken. And this one's a little. This has got some stuff on it. I should turn on. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna get some more shots here. Sorry I ranted. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a fun time making this. See you on the next one. Or no, wait. I'll see you on the next one. Click.